Welcome to Stealthy Finance Tips. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for all the self-employed out there, planning for retirement. If you're your own boss, you know that retirement planning falls entirely on your shoulders. But don't worry, we've got you covered with practical tips to ensure a comfortable retirement. The importance of retirement planning for the self-employed. Being self-employed has its perks: flexibility, independence, and the chance to follow your passion. However, it also means no employer-sponsored retirement plans. This makes it essential to take charge of your retirement savings early and consistently. The first and most important tip is to start early and stay consistent. The sooner you begin saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. Aim to set aside a percentage of your income each month and make it a non-negotiable part of your budget. Know your options. As a self-employed individual in Canada, you have several retirement savings options. Registered Retirement Savings Plan (RRSP). For U.S., traditional or Roth IRA individual retirement account. An RRSP or IRA allows you to contribute a portion of your income and grow it tax-deferred until retirement. It's a great way to reduce your taxable income while saving for the future. In Canada, tax-free savings account TFSA. In US, Roth IRA lets you grow your savings tax-free. While contributions aren't tax-deductible, withdrawals are tax-free, providing flexibility in accessing your funds when needed. For Canada, Simplified Pension Plan (SPP). For US, Simplified Employee Pension (SEP IRA). An SPP or SEP IRA is a retirement plan designed for small businesses and self-employed individuals. It offers a simplified and lower-cost alternative to traditional pension plans, making it easier to save for retirement. Diversify your investments. Diversification is key to a robust retirement plan. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This reduces risk and increases the potential for returns. Consider consulting a financial advisor to create a diversified investment portfolio tailored to your retirement goals. Plan for healthcare costs. Healthcare costs can be a significant expense in retirement. Plan ahead by including health insurance in your retirement budget. Look into options like long-term care insurance and health savings accounts to cover potential medical expenses. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, so it's essential to review and adjust your retirement plan regularly. Make sure your savings and investment strategies are aligned with your current financial status and future retirement needs. Seek professional advice. Navigating retirement planning can be complex, especially for the self-employed. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice from a financial planner. They can provide personalized guidance and help you create a comprehensive retirement strategy. Final thoughts. Planning for retirement as a self-employed individual might seem daunting, but with the right strategies, you can secure a comfortable future. Start early, know your options, diversify your investments, and seek professional advice to stay on track. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stealthy finance tips. Until next time, stay smart and stay stealthy.